Hi everybody, so I just bought this 210 gallon aquarium and stand. This is a custom stand. The previous owner was a woodworker or something like that. I bought all of this for 500 bucks. It doesn't have a lid, but that's okay. And I figured I'd document my journey with this, so I'll need to clean it, reseal it. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the holes drilled at the bottom behind these overflows, and I might just take these overflows out just because this was a saltwater aquarium. And if you can see between the two walls of the overflow, there's a ton of crud in there. And I don't know how I'm gonna clean it. I might try using a vent cleaner such as this, but the other tools I'll be using are a scrubber, a blade. I'm gonna try this Barkeeper's Friend in a spray bottle. The King of DIY uses the powder, but I wanna give this a shot. And then this will just be a bottle of spray water. So I already did start a little bit. The bottom was covered in sand or crushed coral or whatever they use for saltwater tanks. So I took that out, but I'll be cleaning the glass because there's quite a bit of stuff still stuck to it, all of that. And then the overflows, obviously, along with all of this. And then the previous owner, he actually lied to me. He told me it didn't leak until after I bought it. And then he told me it leaked. But if you pull here, you can just pull the silicone right off, see? So it's a bummer that he lied to me. I would have filled this up not knowing and then ruined everything in this house. But yeah, so here we go. This is just a short introduction. I'll record everything I do along the way. I won't bore you with the actual cleaning. I'll just clean it, show you how good it is and what I did. And then same with the sealing, I'll just strip it, show you, and then reseal it. There's tons of videos on how to reseal a tank, so you can just check those ones out. But thanks for watching. Okay everybody, so the glass is clean. As you can see, I didn't clean the overflows just because I tried and none of it would come off. You can see some of this was like the top layer came off, but now it's smooth and it's still there. So I can't imagine how hard it's gonna be to clean between these two panels. So like right down here, this is chock full of crap. So I'm just gonna remove them. I'll just cut them out. Can't be too hard. Just on both of them, and then I'll plug the hole or the drilled holes with the bulkheads. Thankfully I have those. Also I'll clean that later as soon as I get this off. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions for me or any tips, please let me know. Some tips I have for anyone that's trying this is clean the outside of the glass first so that you can see what needs to come off on the inside. Also start from the top down, so start on these. I couldn't get a lot of this off either, but I don't really care because it's on the tank. But maybe start with that and then work your way down after you do the outside of the tank. But yeah, so far I'm pretty happy. It is a lot of work, but I think it's worth it for 500 bucks. I mean, you can't go wrong really. For reference, it's 6 feet long, it's 2 feet wide, and 29 inches tall. And then the stand is maybe, I don't know, maybe 3.5, 4 feet tall. Altogether, it's about 6 feet tall, is all I know. But yeah, pretty sweet, I'm excited. Please let me know if you have any advice for me or anything you'd like to say. Just comment down below. I'm gonna make this a series, like I said. But yeah, tell me what you want me to do with these. I think I'm just gonna take them out, but please give me some ideas.